Welcome back to the Krisp tutorial playlist. In this video, I'll show you how to connect Krisp with Zapier, Slack, HubSpot, Salesforce, and more, step by step. From the Krisp dashboard, click Settings, then click Integrations. This is where all connections live. You can see webhook here as well. Clicking Create opens the Setup window, useful for custom workflows. I'll skip Setup for now and move to Zapier. Now click Connect under Zapier. This opens the Zapier editor with Krisp already selected as your app. Click the Change button under App to see everything Krisp can connect with: Google Calendar, Google Drive, Gmail, Google Sheets, HubSpot, Slack, and many more. Now click Trigger Event to see what actions from Krisp can start your automations. Under Account, click Sign In. A window will appear asking you to allow Zapier to access your Krisp account. Click Yes, Continue to Krisp. Now click Allow. Zapier is now authorized to connect with your Krisp account. Now click the plus button to add a next step. Look at what you can connect: Google Calendar, HubSpot, Slack, and even Claude AI. I'll click Connect under Slack just to show the process, then come back. You can connect any of these the same way. Zapier now shows as connected. And here is the full Zap inside the Zapier editor with Krisp selected. Now go to zapier.com/apps and click My Zaps. You can see your Krisp Zap has been created and is ready to use. Let me rename this Zap so it's easy to find later. I'll call it Krisp with Zapier Integration Test Zap. Inside the Zap you can see the full setup, app, trigger event, and account all in one place. This is your Krisp automation ready to run. Now back to the Krisp dashboard. Click More, then Settings, then Integrations. Under My Integrations, you can see Zapier is connected, shown by the Disconnect button here. Now let me quickly show you the other integrations available. Each one opens its own connection window: Slack, HubSpot, Salesforce, Claude, and Microsoft Teams. All of these can be connected the same way as Zapier. Just click Authorize, and done. Krisp brings all your tools into one workflow. That's the full Krisp integrations guide. If you're using Zapier, Slack, or HubSpot, Krisp connects to all of them in minutes. Try it free using the link below. Watch the full playlist for every Krisp feature explained step by step.